Wash. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
So right now we're going through something good.
It's pink and blue.
Yay, pink and blue.
And purple-ish. It's kind of purple.
And blood red.
And blood red. Oh god, the car is bleeding.
Ah!
Oh no!
That is an octopus.
An octopus. Okay.
Ah!
Oh god, it's eating us.
Oh my god, this is gonna be fun. What was that?
Or so maybe, I don't know.
Yeah. No, not in front of the people. Oh wait, no. I called Crusher. If there was.
I would be so mad if my car crushed.
Yeah. So are you having fun?
I am having a lot of fun. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Okay. That's good.
Oh look, red.
Woohoo!
Wait, orange?
Orange.
Ah!
Wow.
It's weird.
Very weird.
Wow.
And now it's kind of green.
No. Is it?
Yeah,
No, that's outside. That's outside, you notice that, right?
Yes.
Ah! What the heck? Where are we?
Water. Town.
I don't know. What the heck?
Oh, now they have to get all the soap junk out.
Yep. Oh, we're gonna get tire shine?
Yep.
Oh, wow. Blinking like blink, blink, blink. There.
No thank you.
Aww. Wait, does this dude just want to redo it? What? We're almost out. Just 10 more seconds. And now it's loud.
It's very loud.
It's like a jet coming over us. Right?
Well, it has to dry the car, you know.
What does it sound like? You know what it sounds like? A huge airplane coming by. And that's the end of the car wash.